It's the Cobry Cafetiere of cloud knowledge. Oh yeah.
The bots are great for helping you be productive, and they help make work efficient.
All it is, it's a computer you can talk to on Google Chat. So Google Chat is the communications platform for what Google Workspace. It allows you to kind of have a group chat with your organization, with your department. And all a chatbot is it kind of sits in that group chat and you can talk to it.
You can add them as any other person, as you could add another person to a chat room, and then anyone in that room can then use that chatbot to ask it questions or ask for it to do certain tasks, depending on what it was designed for.
There's always two bots that I will recommend for them. The Drive bot will pull all of your Google Drive notifications into one chat message. So you basically have a stream of all the notifications of interactions that happen in Google Drive. So if somebody leaves a comment on something, if somebody shares a document with you, if somebody requests access to a document, it'll all come up in one stream, which you can look back through. So it's like a conversation between you and Google Drive, rather than getting individual emails for each interaction in Drive. The other one that I recommend and kind of introduce people to is the Meet bot, which will allow people to schedule meetings with anybody in their organization, or basically anyone that they have given access to their calendars with, anyone whose calendar they have access to. So you could literally type in natural language, just say, schedule a meeting with Victor, Aidan and Radesh. And then the bot will come back to me with a message saying, when do you want this? Here's a few options where everyone's free. And then you just type A, B, C, or D, and then it'll book the meeting with everybody that was asked for.
When setting up meetings, there's this constant back and forth of emails of like, oh, this is when I'm free, when are you free? It takes away that and gives suggested options when everyone's free. And then it means that there's a lot more, it's a lot more time efficient.
On the interactivity aspect, there's two things that a chatbot can do. It can be called or it can call. And what do I mean by that? You can ask it to do something. So you tag it at CobryBot, give me our current clients, or it can call. And what that means is based on some sort of external event, whether that's time, whether that's something that's happened, a trigger, it can pop a message into the chat room. You can technically get it to do anything you want within the limits of AppScript. So you can ask a bot to generate documents for you. You can ask a bot to go ping an external service like Xero or HubSpot. You can ask a bot to make a new project within your Asana. You can ask a bot to schedule a meet call with someone. Within the development scope, it's essentially limitless. You can really use a chatbot to trigger any sort of code, which makes it really, really powerful.